So welcome back to Trina's Motivation. Today guys, we're gonna show you how we prepare this amazing Sunday dinner. Yes, you heard me. Sunday dinner, stewed chicken served with roasted breadfruit, and it's the yellow heart breadfruit. And on the side we have some steamed cabbage and some sour sop juice. So let's dive straight into the video guys. Isn't this nice? So this is our stew chicken. So today we're gonna roast the breadfruit. So of course we put a little eggs here, and we're going to put the foil paper and then put it on the top of the stove. So I'm actually trying it this way, based on what some of my supporters say. Trina, do it this way. Alright, so I'm going to try this for the first time and see the outcome of it. Alright. So I'm going to put a little oil in the frying pan, and then I'm going to add my chicken. So here's my chicken already seasoned. I haven't put any tomato in there. I put that in when I'm cooking down the chicken. So we have our onion, scallions, bell pepper, and thyme, and garlic. And we actually use this seasoning. So this is the chicken seasoning I always use. And when I use this, I don't have to use any salt. So that's all that's in there. So I'm going to try to put them in there and not put any of the seasoning in it. A little top. So we're going to do our brown stew chicken. Now we're not going to be putting any soy sauce or browning on it. We're going to see the outcome. Alright, so the breadfruit is going on right now. There you have it. Some steam coming out. So we're going to see how long it's going to take us. So what we're basically doing, we're going to be turning them over a little bit. Remember, we're not going to use any browning, so we want to get that nice brown color. So we haven't closed our pot as yet. Alright. So we're just frying it down a little bit, and then we're going to close it. We have our water over here that we're going to use in a bit. So I'm going to leave this again and come back. Alright, so we haven't used any browning as we told you, and there it is so far. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add all the rest of the seasoning to this. So we add a little water to the seasoning that we had used before. There it is. We're going to pour it into the pot. So we have our pimento, onion, tomato. So this is the time now I put my tomato in. And thyme, scallion, all of that goodness. And we're cooking it down now. So there you go, and of course it's hot water we pour on it, right? I'm gonna make a little sauce for this now. So I use a little barbecue sauce, a little bit of ketchup, and a tip of sugar, and I do some warm water to just add it and just mix everything together. So this is going to be my sauce. I'm going to pour on it when it's almost coming to an end. It will help to give it a little bit more color. So we're going to add our sauce to this now. And we're going to allow it to simmer down for a minute of 15 minutes, and we're done. So let's see what's happening here. Oh my lord, my lord, my lord. So this is looking so lovely. Let us see the consistency. If they want like some gravy. Look at that, guys. Wow. Isn't this nice? So this is our stew chicken. Wow. See how them coming apart? So the ready is ready. You can actually turn our stove off because you want to make sure you have nice gravy and gravy is thick and nice already. Look at that. So you don't always need to have potato and those things. No, if I had those, I would have put a little bit in there, but I don't have anything like that right now. So you know, I always say use what you have, and that's exactly what we're doing. So we're basically done. This is it, and it's nice. And so the color look good. Yeah, man, looking good. I can't wait to dive into it. Look at that, guys. Wow. So over here, and as I told you, roast it in the foil. So we're gonna see what it's like. I hope it roasts. Never taste it, I'm telling you. So it's a yellow heart breadfruit, so it actually worked. So I was able to peel it. Let us see what's happening on the inside. Alright, so we're going to get into it now. We're going to serve up a plate and eat some food. So there is a finished product. So we have our stewed chicken with roast breadfruit, and this is the yellow heart breadfruit. We're serving it up with some cabbage, steamed cabbage, and guys, look what we have here. We have some soursop juice, so that's what we're going to have this with today. So there you have it. You know what to do. If you like what you see, go right ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching. I am going to dive into this. Yes, I'm a Sunday dinner this roast breadfruit with stewed chicken and serve him up with some soursop juice. Now my soursop juice, not with milk, just with lime and a little tips of sugar. So that's what we're going to enjoy today.